part 1 of this video, we began to take a look at the order of operations, and we found out that the order of operations was kind of based on a hierarchy where we would always do the parentheses first, exponents second, then multiply and divide from left to right, and then add and subtract from left to right. We could remember this order with the mnemonic, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," or this funky word, PEMDAS. Let's take a look at doing one more example, though, before we wrap up this order of operations idea. Again, the order to help guide us is PEMDAS, or "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." The very first thing we want to do, then, is P, or the parentheses. Inside parentheses. A common error is people think 5 times 2 is parentheses, but the 5 is not in parentheses, so that would not be a parentheses step. The 7 minus 4, though, is inside the parentheses. And so we'll copy the rest of the problem exactly as it appears, just doing one thing at a time, the 7 minus 4. So we have 30 divided by 5 times 2 plus 7 minus 4 is 3 squared. Now that we've simplified inside the parentheses, we're ready for the second step, the exponents. There is an exponent on the 3. We have 3 squared. So we can rewrite everything else exactly like it is, doing only one step, 30 divided by 5 times 2 plus the 3 squared is 9. Now we're ready to move on to multiplication and division. Be careful, here is another common error students make. What should be done first? In this problem, we should be doing the 30 divided by 5 first. Remember, if there is both multiplication and division in the same problem, we must work from left to right. Sometimes, as in this case, division comes first. Other times, multiplication comes first, as we work from left to right. 30 divided by 5 is 6, and we still have times 2 plus 9. We're still not done multiplying and dividing. We still have more multiplication to do. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 9. Finally, to finish this problem, we'll do the addition last. 12 plus 9 is 21, and we have our final solution. Again, the order of operations we can remember with the word PEMDAS, or "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," doing parentheses first, exponents second, multiply and divide, making sure we go from left to right, and finally add or subtract at the end.